Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high-five that subscribe button and you high-five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called From Downtown. Yes, as you guys know, basketball season is here and we're going close to the NBA Finals. So I decided I wanted to shoot out this video to you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned for this game From Downtown. All right, see you soon. All right, so for this game From Downtown, the only items you're gonna need are going to be a hat, go Cowboys, a sock ball, and a laundry basket. If you have tape, if you have chalk, if you have cones, those were also items that are necessary. All right, so here we go. So for level 1, what you're gonna have to do is I have 2 marks right here. We have a line here, which is at a 6-foot mark, and then we have another line here at the 8-foot mark. And what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna place a sock ball inside of a hat, okay? And we have a basket. What you're gonna do is the student is gonna select which one they wanna make it from. Right here is the free throw. If they make it from here into the basket, it's worth 1 point. Or they can shoot a 3 all the way over here at the 8-foot mark and make it for 3 points. You're gonna have 1 minute to try to make as many points as possible. Pop it up and try to make it in the basket. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I tried to make it in. Just missed. Yeah, students want to come up with a strategy on how to try to get the sock ball into the basket, popping it up from the hat. There you go, 1 point. From downtown. Oh. Two points. Ooh. Oh, just missed. And time. So for level 1, I just got 2 points. Stay tuned for level 2 in just a moment. All right, so now for level 2, we're gonna play a game that's similar to Around the World. Now I have some tape marks over here on my left side and right side. So I have one spot here, that's 1, 2, 3 up top, 4, and 5. Now what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to go around the world and score all of those shots in 1 minute. So again, I'm gonna start here. I have to pop it up, make it. If I do, I move on to the next line, pop it up, make it here, move on to the top of the key, pop it up, again, to the side, boom, and finish it off here. You can start on your left side, right side, completely up to you, but your goal is to complete all of those shots in 1 minute. Okay, so let's see how well I do in this challenge. All right, so here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, students have to pop it up and try to make it in the basket. There, that's 1. 2, up top now. Oh, 3, can he do it? 4, last one. Come on. Boom! With 34 seconds left to spare. Voila! Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game From Downtown. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please let me know your thoughts on the game. And again, don't forget to use our hashtag, the P.E Spot, and let us know what was your favorite part of the activity and what you can use at home to do this activity as well. So again, don't forget to use our hashtag, the P.E Spot. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.